Hello viewers, today I'm going to talk you about tomatoes. Can you grow tomatoes from fresh tomatoes? Tomatoes are a very delicious fruit, but it is used as vegetable in different dishes to enhance flavor. It's very simple and easy method to grow tomatoes at home. Take one red fresh tomato, cut it in half, or you can cut in any shape. Keep separate its seeds portion. You can use knife or spoon for this purpose. Take few seeds and sow them in the pot or in the soil or in a container. After 2-3 weeks you will see small seedlings. You can transfer them in any pots, large container or in the soil. Tomatoes plant seems to bloom flower after 5 to 6 months. Tomatoes flowers looks nice. After 15 to 20 days of flowers, you will see small green tomatoes. After 5 to 7 days, these green tomatoes will turn into red tomatoes. No fertilizer, no pesticide sprays is required for this plant. Dried eggshells are the best source to increase tomatoes yield.